that I would make amends with the ocean, but as we left the shores, my eyes began to tear. Why had it always caused me unelusive feelings? Why had it always left me fear? The truth is my thoughts had me sinking to the bottom, drifting like a bottle through the sea without a sound. And when I finally washed up to your sandy shorebed, the message in the bottle had no writing to be found. Well, this is my paradise. This is all I really need, yeah. And I can't live without this feeling of the ocean around me, yeah, 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 yeah. Waves crashing on the shore, sunrise, the water sparkling, a warm sand between my toes, digging into so much comfort, and not knowing where it ends or if it keeps on going. An entire world beneath my body as I float, yeah. Well, this is my paradise, oh, this is all I really need, yeah. And I can't live without this feeling of the ocean around me, yeah, 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 oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is my paradise. This is all I really need, yeah. And I can't live without this feeling of the ocean around me, yeah, 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 oh. Every now and then I sit and I think about this life, and I say, here, how could anyone want more? Well, I got the notion, put your body in motion. Come on now, we'll take a ride on the ocean. There's a lot of candy in this store. Well, every now and then I sit and I think about this life, and I say, here, how could anyone want more? I got the notion, put your body in motion. Come on now, we'll float away on the ocean, 'cause there's a lot of candy in this store. Well, every now and then I sit and I think about this life, and I say, hey, how could anyone want more? Well, I got the notion, put your body in motion. Come on now, I gotta stay on the ocean, 'cause there's a lot of candy in this store.